In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show only portfolios in Projects section in Asana. First, open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. That's the method I'll use here because it's quick and secure. Select your Google account to proceed and give it a moment to load your workspace. If you have multiple organizations in Asana, make sure you're in the one where your portfolios live before moving on. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. You'll see sections like Home, My Tasks, Inbox, and below that, the Work area that lists your teams and projects. We're going to make portfolios appear at the top under the Starred section, then hide everything else in Work so your view shows only those portfolios. Find a portfolio you want to highlight. In the sidebar, right-click the portfolio's name. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. From the menu that appears, choose Add to Starred. This pins the portfolio to the Starred section near the top of the sidebar for quick access. You'll notice it appear there immediately. Starred items are personal to you, so this won't affect your teammates' views. Repeat that process for any other portfolios you want to keep visible. Right-click the next portfolio, then choose Add to Starred. You can star as many as you need, and you can reorder starred items by clicking and dragging them in the Starred section to match your priority. Now that your key portfolios are starred, it's time to hide the clutter so only those portfolios show. In the sidebar, locate the Work heading. Click the small caret or arrow next to Work to collapse it. This collapses your teams and projects, effectively removing them from sight while keeping the starred section visible at the top. The result is a clean, focused sidebar that shows only the portfolios you starred. A few quick tips to keep this working smoothly. You can unstar a portfolio anytime by right-clicking it in the starred section and choosing Remove from Starred. Your starred list and collapsed state are saved with your account, so the view persists across sessions. If you ever need to access projects again, just expand the Work heading, do what you need, and collapse it when you're done. And that's it. By starring the portfolios you care about and collapsing the Work section, you create a simple, portfolio-only view that keeps your focus where it matters.